What's up, guys? Back again for another Mischief Men episode. Today, I'll be taking my car to Mr. Tires to get an alignment done. They're gonna test fit to see if they can get the car onto the rack, the alignment rack or whatever it is. So, let's see how that goes. Alright, quick update. I'm on my way to go get Clayton real quick. We're gonna go get something to eat before I go to Mr. Tires, or vice versa. We might go to Mr. Tires first and then go get something to eat. Then we're gonna go back to the shop, see what we can't do on his car, and then go from there. I don't know what else I'm gonna film today, but I'm trying to get a video out. It's like November 1st. I got the top down. It's not cold. It's like 70 degrees outside, which is awesome. Gives me motivation to film. Yes. Come on, Clayton. Answer the phone. There you are. Yeah, you're there. You're there now. Where are you at?
Aw, I'm at Senor Tucker's.
I thought so. Alright, I'll be there in a second.
It's Forney? Who is Forney?
It's more Forney. It's me.
It's Forney? What is Forney?
It's the Forn dog. Come out of the house, my friend. Come out of the house. I am here to pick you. I am here to pick you up. So I seen a video yesterday of some tips and tricks. As you get here, the sound that's coming from the bottom here, under the dash, would be from the door. Goes away. Now I'm gonna take it out. Little wire right here. You can feel it vibrating because of the sound. All you gotta do is pull this one, push it in, wiggle, pull it. No more door sound. Alright guys, we're at Mr. Tires. About to see if we can get this on the alignment thingy, whatever it is. It's like that red thing over there where that lady's standing. Let's see. Alright guys, they're gonna do the alignment on the car today, which is awesome. They can get it in there. Actually, those guys are all drifters. They got drift cars, E46s, which is kind of cool. So the drift scene around here is getting bigger and bigger, like every month it seems like. Everybody wants a drift car. Let's get Clayton a drift car. Drift bike. Alright, update. No car. We're waiting on Tucker to come and pick us up. I didn't know I had to leave my car here for 5 hours. It's like 1:30. He wants me to come back at like 5 or something to come get the car. So we're going to Sonic. We're walking across the road right now. Yeah, that's our dilemma. Fuck the famous girl to mask off. Foods? I don't need food. I ate chili earlier. I need a drink. Drink.
I need that slushy with the nerds in it, bro.
Northwest. They're fighting right now.
Dude,
Okay, like one shot over there.
face plant is just so nasty.
No, I killed him.
My phone's
Let's
not.
go, you just gotta kill. 240. What?
God damn it.
Oh, there might be a little.
Oh yeah, got that Sonic shake. Sonic! On our way to find Tucker. Walking over to Sheets right now. Where's this mofo at? Go over here. No, I'm good. We'll go back over here. Brother. Thanks for the ride, boys.
Bam,
He's
son.
still pushing. Still pushing.
7 years strong, son.
Them pub wings smell great. Alright, so no go on the alignment at Mr. Tires because the car is too low. So I guess I'm going to Byers Tire on Monday, which is already scheduled. I just wanted to see if I could get it done today for $100 bucks, but I'll take 75 at Byers Tires. So, going to the shop. We'll do some fun stuff in the truck here a little bit. I gotta go get that, and then actually we're gonna go skate right now for a little bit. Alright, so we're at the shop. I'm gonna skate a little bit with the guys. Brady's gonna leave after that, after we're done skating. And then, yeah, I'm not really gonna film that because it's not really car related, but after that, Clayton and I will go back to the house. We're gonna get my truck and then probably take that out to a spot I went yesterday and film that for something, I guess. Yeah. Because we don't have any car shit to do. I don't have any parts. Clayton don't have his parts in yet. He did recently take apart his car. Took the turbo off. He got the turbo off and the manifold, exhaust manifold off. So they have been working on that for the past week. I didn't really film any of that stuff, but I just wanted to throw that out there, keep you guys updated, because I did say we were gonna work on Clayton's car. Just didn't film it. So stay tuned for the truck stuff. We'll see what we'll get into. Just to freshen up on what we did with Clayton's car. There's his turbo. I have to get those bolts out on that. Hopefully my uncle is gonna do that. Took all this stuff off.